Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our mission today to make a fast revision for my dear students, and this revision include solve multi-step equation, to identify equations if it is identity or has no solution, and apply proportions and use proportion for similar figures. Let us start. I will start from here, my dear students. If we have like this equation, for example, 0.2 y minus 0.1 equal 0.3. How we can solve this, my dear student? As you know, we have the left side and right side. Okay, we ignore this because it has no variable in this side, and we ignore the coefficient. So what we have to do, yes, plus 1/10 here and 1/10 here. As you see here, we ignore it for a while here, yes. Now, as you see, this will be eliminated, and we calculate this. Okay, it is 0.3 plus 0.4. The one, it is equal 0.4. Sorry, my dear student. So now we are reaching to this situation. This is the left side, and this is the right side. Now, my dear student, we have to divide by the coefficient, which is 0.2, and here we have 0.2, so this will be eliminated. And here, how we can solve this? 4 divided by 2, it is equal to, so y equal to. Okay, my dear student. Teacher, there are a decimal point here. If you have the same number of digits after the decimal point, you ignore the decimal point, my dear student. Okay, are you happy now? I hope so. Now let us move to this to this equation. If we have like this, 2 equal 5 multiply 2x plus or negative 2. How we can solve this? Left side and right side. What is the first step to solve this? Actually, you have to break the parentheses or use the distributive property. So the 5 will visit this or multiply by this, and this equal 5 multiply 2 equal 10x, and 5 multiply negative 2 equal negative 10, and all of them equal 2. Still, this is the left and this is the right, and you know what we have to do now. As you see, we have to add 10 in this side and this in 10 in this side. Now this will be eliminated, and 2 positive 10, it is 12, and then we divide by 10 here. We divide by 10, so x will equal 1.2. Okay, or you can do it as an improper fraction, the fraction that has a big head, my dear student. Yes, big head. See, it has a big head. How many 10 and 12? It is 1. Sorry, it is 1. We write 1 here. Okay, let me erase this and this. Okay, this is 1, and I draw this. Okay, now the 10 coming down, 10 by 1 equal 10. How many steps to reach 12? It is 2. And 2 over 10 equal 1 over 5. So 1 and 1 over 5, it is the same answer of 1 over 2, the same. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, now let us move to the next question. if we have like this situation, 5x plus 2x minus 4 equal 16x minus 4. What we have to do, actually this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay, we combine in the same side. We have this positive 2 and this is 5x will equal 7x. Negative 4 equal 16x negative 4. Good. Erase this, we don't need it. Okay, now as you see here, this is the left side and this is the right side. Now we will move this here, but remember we have to change the 7x to negative 7x, and 16 minus 7 equal 9. So I will erase this, it will be 9x. Now we have this equation. You know how to solve it, yes? Plus 4 plus 4 and this eliminated. 9x negative plus equals 0. So x divide by 9, divide by 9, x equal 0. Because if you divide 0 by any number, you get 0. Okay, my dear student, are you happy till now? I hope so. Now let us take this equation, my dear student. If we have this equation, how we can do it? 4n, yes, over 2 or 3 plus 1 over 2 equal 3 over, oh not 3, 5 over 6. As you see, this is the left side and this is the right side. In the left side here, I cannot combine this with this because this has no m. We agree about this. So directly we subtract 1 over 2 from both sides. So this will be eliminated, and here we have to do some calculation. So we take it beside here. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 2. So we multiply this. We cannot subtract, boys. Why? Because down it is different. Okay, so multiply. How could the 2 be 6? Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So 5 over 6 negative 3 over 6, this equal 2 over 6, and divide up by 2 1 and down by 2 3. So I will eliminate everything here and write 1 over 3. Now this is the right side. Now what we have to do, my dear student? Yes, the last step, we divide by the coefficient whatever it is. Divide by 4 over 3, divide by 4 over 3. So from up to down, read from up to down. 1 over 3 divide by 4 over 3. So the division will be multiply, bravo. And we keep this, we flip this, and we know that we can cross the similar thing up and down. This and this will be eliminated. So 1 by 1 equal 1 and 1 by 4 equal 4. So we multiply up by up and down by down. So m equal 1 over 4. Okay, my dear student, are you happy till now? I hope so. I know you know. I know you know, my dear students. I know. But we just try to refresh your memory only. Yes? Okay. If we have like this situation, you remember in the class, every time I ask you to what? To be careful from the negative outside the parentheses, if you remember. Like this one, see, negative out parentheses, and you know the first step every time we break the parentheses. So the first step, I drop the 7 and break the parentheses under one condition. The 2 will be negative 2 and the negative x will be plus x. Yes, this equal x negative 3. The same thing, we just break this parentheses only. This is the first step, and don't look back after that. Start from where you reach. Now I have something to combine here. It is numbers, I can combine them together, and 7 negative 2 equal 5. Yes, great, write 5 here. Now I can transfer here. Yes, look here, it is positive x and positive x. I will move, for example, I will move this here. Yes, good. So this will be negative, and positive x and negative x will be eliminated. And see what 5 equal negative 3. Is that reasonable, my boy? No. So in this situation you say there is no solution for this equation. Is it clear, my dear student? Are you happy? I hope so. Let us take one more example, my dear student, and I hope you will be happy. Okay, now we have x over 3 equal 5 over 4. What you have to do? Yes, this is proportions, so we do cross multiplication. Yes, so 4x equal 15. Divide by 4, divide by 4, this eliminated, and this is the fraction with the big head. See, fraction with big head and small legs. So how many 4 in 15? There are 3. We draw 3 and draw this and write this 4 here and do the multiplication. 4 by 3 equal 12. How many steps to be 15? It needs 3 steps, so it is 3 and 3 over 4. So instead of this I will write 3 and 3 over 4. Are you happy? I hope so. So my dear students, I know you know, but I just remind you how to do everything. Okay, now the last, no, not the last actually. Let us keep working. Now if I have 3x minus 1 over x plus 3 equal, for example, 2 over 5. How we do this? Actually, here we have a fraction because we have up and down. Yes, in the left side, and in the right side I have up and down, so it is a fraction too. So we do a cross multiplication, so do the parentheses here. Okay, so we do a cross multiplication. 2 multiply this quantity and 5 multiply this quantity. The first step, my dear student, I like to from you to draw equal in the middle. Okay, and determine the left side and prepare the right side too, and find the first one. I will start, my dear student, with multiply 2 by x and 3. So 2 multiply, I will do like this to make your life easier, my dear student. So 2 multiply by x equal 2x, and 2 again multiply by 3 equals 6, so positive 6. We done from this. Are you happy? I hope so. Now 5 multiply 3x equal 15x, and 5 multiply negative 1 equal negative 5. You know that, yes, and I know you know, and we done from this. Now the proportion will be like this one, left and right sides. Now we move this quantity, that small quantity of x, to the biggest quantity of x, and don't forget to opposite the sign. So this will be 13x. Negative 5 equal 6. Now we eliminate everything here, we don't need it more, and we come here to the easy equation. So now plus 5 plus 5, now this eliminated, and this will be how much? 11. Okay, sorry, because I don't have a nice number. Then we divide by the coefficient, 13 and 13, then we done. Okay, my dear student, are you happy till now? I hope so. Now let us move to one more question here. I hope you will get it. It is easy. You know that for any quadrilateral, I mean the shapes with 4 sides, if you add the sides for each angle together, you will get 360. That's mean if I have 3x plus 30 here, and x here, and 2x here, and 4x here, how you can find the value of x? Okay, actually you have to know that if you add all these angles, okay, you must get 360. So let's combine the x's together and you will be happy. So 3x plus 4x equals 7x, plus x 8x, plus 2x equal 10x. And what's about the 30 here? Sorry, the 30 here, you write it plus 30 or positive 30 all of them equal 360 as we agreed before. Okay, now now we determine the left side, and the right side we negative 30 here and negative 30 here, so this eliminated, and this will be 330. Yes, then we divide by the coefficient, the 0 cancel the 0, so this will be 33 and x will be 33. Okay, let us make one more example like this one. I want from you to get a full mark. So here we have 3x, for example. Here we have 2x. Here we have 5x plus 20. And here we have 2x plus 30 or 40. How we do that? We add the x's together. 5x plus 2x, 7x, 10x, 12x. So here we have 12x, and we add the numbers. 40 plus 20 equals 60. Yes, and what we said before, the total of the angles for the quadrilateral shapes, quadrilateral, equal 360. Yes, now we solve this equation, and I know you know negative 30 here, sorry, negative 60. Why? Negative 60 and negative 60 here. Okay, now this eliminated, and we do this calculation. This will be 300. Then we divide by 12 and divide by 12. X equal 300 over 12, and this equal, let us do the long division. Well, let us simplify, is better. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This will be 150 over 6, divide by 2, divide by 2. This give me 75 over 3, and 75 over 3 equal 25, my dear students. So x equal 25 here. From here, x equal 25. You got the point here, I hope so. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and good luck and goodbye.